Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing my cereal box. Now this one normally comes with like a little card here, but for some reason there is none this month, but that's all right. So we'll open her up. I am not sure if this is for March. Sorry, not for March, if this is for April or May's box. I think this might be May's. Then we've got our little sticker there that says cereal box. Really cute. Oh, I'll just try and show you guys without spilling lots of stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. How cool is this? So this is a facial KONJAC sponge. Oh, feels interesting. So it says enriched with bamboo charcoal, and this is by Skye, maybe. So it says how to use it: soften the sponge, soak in water for 2 minutes, use the damp sponge, gently massage the face in a circular motion with or without your favorite cleanser. After use, rinse the sponge with water and remove excess water. Air dry. Replace every 8 to 12 weeks. Okay, I've never seen anything like this before. But anyway, I'm very excited to try that. It's something different, so that's cool. Now, next up we have got this Miabelle Salon Professional Hair Mask. So this says it's for thin hair, and it's got organic avocado and argan oil and Cocolime, color safe, pH balanced. Oh, so exciting. I will love to use this. I'm gonna open it up. I don't have thin hair obviously, but oh, that smells so good. So good. Apply on dry hair from mid to ends till the hair is well coated. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. If applying on wet hair after shampooing, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to try this next time I wash my hair, because the smell, oh, if you guys could smell this, it's so yum. Next up we have got the stress-free aromatherapy roll-on. Ooh, I need some of this. Oh yes. So it's got lavender, geranium rose, and lemon, eucalyptus, and bergamot. I don't know what bergamot is. So it says roll on to your pulse points like a perfume and inhale deeply. Very cool. And this is from Skye Candle and bodycare.co.nz. Right, we have next got the, oh, this feels like clay. It is clay. It's a green tea and clay facial mask. So this is, oh goodness, halloysite clay and matcha green tea. I don't know how you say that, but that's very different. Anoint. And it's cool how they've got like a little seal, like a, what do you call these, wax seals? Very interesting. Okay, next up we have got, oh, a bee venom mask. This sounds dangerous, but okay. So this is how it looks, and it's actually a face, one of the ones you put on your whole face. So what does it say here? It's got manuka honey with the effective properties of bee venom to create a mask that plumps, tightens, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a healthy and youthful glow. And it's formulated for all skin types. It's certified organic cotton fiber mask to deliver nourishment and active bee venom. Wow. Didn't even know this was a thing, so excited to try this. All right, last up. This is heavy. Okay, and it is open a bit. I'm just trying to get all this stuff out. All right, we have got, might as well open it since it's already open. This is the Doubtless Bay Botanicals body scrub. It says exfoliating and moisturizing, encouraging increased circulation and skin cell renewal, and it says apply the scrub to wet skin, gently rub all over and rinse off. Test patch on skin, especially if prone to sensitivities. Discontinue if irritation occurs. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I have to. It's literally, oh, it smells absolutely divine. And have a look at that. I don't know if you guys, hopefully it will focus. This is so cool. Oh, I'm very excited to use this. So this is all over, yeah, body scrub. So it's all over body scrub. Wow. So there's no card or anything like that in the box. So I will Google the products and I'll put all the information down below. That for this month's cereal box. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.